Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Shiv Kumar News. Today we learn about our Prime Minister. This Here is the list of the Prime Minister along with their image and contribution. First Prime Minister is Jawaharlal Nehru. Office time 1947 to 1964. About Pandit Nehru served as Prime Minister for 17 years from 1947 to 1964. He is regarded as one of the founder of modern India as he helped usher the country into the age of industrial and technological development. His birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day across India. Contribution: First Prime Minister of India, independent India, played a major role in India's independence movement and in shaping the newly independent nation. Introduced land reform and emphasized the industrialization. Advocates of non-aligned movement, established major public sector industry and set up institutions like IITs and AIMS. Promoted secularism and democracy. This is our second Prime Minister, Guljari Lal Nanda. Office work time 1966 to 1967. Acting Prime Minister. About Shri Guljari Lal Nanda was the second Prime Minister of India and he served the nation for two brief term. He was instrumental in organizing the Indian National Trade Union Congress. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1997. His contribution: served as acting Prime Minister after the death of Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri, oversaw India's political transition during the interim period. This is our third Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri, office time 1964 to 1966. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri was the third Prime Minister of India. As Prime Minister, he promoted the White and Green Revolution and coined the popular slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. He also led India to victory in the India-Pakistan War of 1965. His contribution: led India during the 1965 Indo-Pakistani War and promoted the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Focus on improvement of India's agriculture sector, strengthening the Indian Army and advocated for economic growth. He is remembered for signing the Tashkent Agreement with Pakistan, which ended the 1965 war. This is our next Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. Office time 1966 to 1977, 1988 to 1984. About Srimati Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India and served the nation for two terms. During her tenure, India won the 1971 war against Pakistan, which resulted in the creation of Bangladesh. Srimati Indira Gandhi imposed emergency from 1975 to 1977. Her contribution: the first and only female Prime Minister of India, led India during the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War and the creation of Bangladesh, implementing the emergency 1975 to 77, during which she curtailed civil liberties and suspended election. Focus on the Green Revolution and India's nuclear development, pivotal in shaping India's foreign policy during the Cold War. This is our next Prime Minister, Morarji Desai. Office time 1977 to 1979. Is about Shri Morarji Desai served as Prime Minister of India for 2 years from 1977 to 1979. The fourth amendment of the 44th Amendment of the Constitution of India was enacted during his tenure as Prime Minister. Shri Morarji Desai passed away at the age of 99 in Mumbai, making him the world's oldest former head of government. Contribution: the first non-Congress Prime Minister of India, led the Janata Dal government after the emergency period. Advocated for austerity measures and focus on improving relations with Pakistan and China. This is our next Prime Minister, Chaudhry Charan Singh. Office time 1979 to 1980. About Chaudhry Charan Singh served as Prime Minister of India for 170 days. Throughout his life, he tried to improve the condition of farmers. His birth anniversary anniversary 23rd December is celebrated as Kisan Divas. Contribution: served as the fifth prime minister for a short period. His tenure was marked by political instability leading to early elections. This is our next Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, of his time 1984 to 1989. About Shri Rajiv Gandhi became the youngest Prime Minister of India and served for a single term from 1984 to 1989. During his tenure, he promoted science and technology and associate industry and ushered in a new era of higher education reform in the country. His contribution became Prime Minister after the assassination of his mother Indira Gandhi. Pioneered reform in telecommunication, education, and technology, work on improving Indo-Pakistani relations, and focus on peace in Sri Lanka. Through this led to the Sri Lanka civil war's escalation. Advocated for modernization, including computerization and the rise of the IT sector. This is our next Prime Minister, Vish Pratap Singh, VP Singh, known as VP Singh. His office time is 1989 to 1990. Shri Vish Pratap Singh, VP Singh, served as Prime Minister of India from 1989 to 1990. The Mandal Commission report was implemented, and the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Act of 1989 was passed during his tenure. Contribution: known for implementing the Mandal Commission report, which advocated for the reservation for jobs and education institution for OBC, led India through a period of political instability, played a key role in the rise of the coalition government. This is our next Prime Minister, Chandrasekhar, office time 1990 to 1991. Shri Chandrasekhar became the Prime Minister of India to a head of the coalition government at the center. He was instrumental in preventing India from defaulting on sovereign repayments. Known for his fiery spirit, he was often referred to as Young Turk. Contribution: headed a minority government and faced significant political challenges. Resigned after a short tenure due to lack of support in parliament. This is our next Prime Minister is P.V. Narasimha Rao, office time 1991 to 1996. Shri Pumla Parthi Venkata Narasimha Rao served as Prime Minister of India for a single term from 1991 to 1996. During his tenure, he carried out economic reform in the form of liberalization and globalization. Contribution: played a crucial role in liberalization Indian economy, lead economic reform in 1991 that opened up India's economy to the global market, focus on privatization, devaluation of the rupee, and market-oriented policy, known as the father of Indian economic reform. This is our next Prime Minister is H.D. Dev Gowda, office time 1996 to 1997. Shri Har Danalhali Dev Gowda served as Prime Minister of India for slightly less than a year. He focused on the farmers of the country and is also credited for kick-starting the Delhi Metro project. He is popularly called the son of the soil for his contribution to agriculture. Contribution: former Karnataka Chief Minister who served as the 14th Prime Minister, focus on agriculture reform and rural development. This is our next Prime Minister is Inder Kumar Gujral, also known as I.K. Gujral. Office time 1997 to 1998. Shri Inder Kumar Gujral, I.K. Gujral, became the Prime Minister for slightly less than a year. He worked with various ministers in different capacity before becoming the Prime Minister of India. He is known for the Gujral Doctrine, which is considered a milestone in India's foreign policy. Contribution: known for the Gujral Doctrine, which focused on India's foreign relations, particularly with neighboring countries, strengthening India's diplomatic ties, and pursued a non-confrontational foreign policy. This is our next Prime Minister, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, office time 1996 and second time is 1998 to 2004. Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee served as the Prime Minister of India for 30 days in 1996 and two incomplete term from 1998 to 2004. He is known for his valuable contribution to India's economic growth. Operation Vijay, commonly known as the Kargil War, was fought against Pakistan and won during his tenure as Prime Minister. He made India a nuclear weapons power. Contribution lead the government through the Kargil War 1999 and strengthened India's defense policy. Played a key role in India's nuclear test in 1998. Pokhran second. Focus on infrastructure development including national highway and telecommunication. Advocate for the better relations with Pakistan and improved India's international stature. This is our next Prime Minister, Manmohan Singh, of a time 2004 to 2014. About Dr. Manmohan Singh served as Prime Minister of India from 2004 to 2014. The National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, NREGA, and the Right to Information Act were passed during his tenure as Prime Minister. Dr. Manmohan Singh is widely credited for effectively carrying out economic reform in the country. He is also known for signing the nuclear civil deal with the United States of America. Contribution known for his role in India's 1991 economic liberalization as the finance minister. Served as the Prime Minister during a period of high economic growth and political stability. Played a key role in signing the USA-India nuclear deal, improving India's nuclear position on the global stage. Advocated for social reform, poverty reduction, and infrastructural development. This is our next Prime Minister, the Narendra Modi, 2014 to present. Shri Narendra Modi is the current and the 14th and the fourth longest serving Prime Minister of India. He served as the Chief Minister of Gujarat for 14 years and was applauded for the economic growth and setting up advanced infrastructure in the state, among other key developments. As the Prime Minister of India, he is known for campaigning like Swachh Bharat, Make in India, Digital India, among many more. Among his several accolades, he is also famous for being the first Indian to win the Seoul Peace Prize Award in 2018. His contribution implementing the major economic reforms such as the Goods and Service Tax (GST) and to the demonetization policy. It focuses on the infrastructure development, Digital India, renewable energy, promoting Make in India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, strengthening India's global position through the active foreign diplomacy and strengthening partnership. These are some contributions from Indian Prime Minister. They shape the country's political, economic, and social landscape over the decade. So, guys, this is the today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for further more update and more videos. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet in tomorrow on next video. Jai Hind.